Okay, this is the second question from the homework. Let's look at it now. We have this angle here. I'll just write it down. This is the 90-degree angle. We know that this angle is 90 degrees because the tangent always meets the radius at 90 degrees. The first question asks you for the angle OAB in terms of x. Now, OAB is this angle here. So what do we know? Well, we know that this angle here is equal to, well, it's going to be 90, that 90-degree angle, take away that angle of x. So we can just write that the angle OAB is equal to 90 minus x. This is what the angle is in terms of x. So to calculate that angle OAB, you would do 90, take away x. So that's what it is. Okay. The next question just asks for angle ABC. We know that's 90 degrees. We know that's 90 degrees because angles in a semicircle are always 90 degrees. That's the same as the previous question. Okay, the final question asked you to solve for x, and it gave you some information. Now we knew that this angle, we now know this angle is 90 minus x. In the question, the third part of the question, we were told that this angle here is 3x minus 130. Okay, and the question said, form an equation and solve for x. So forming an equation's kind of a difficult thing to do straight away, but we know some information. We know that that angle of 3x minus 130, the angle of 90, and the angle of 90 minus x form a triangle. So when you add those three angles up, you get 180 degrees. So if we were to write that down, we can say that the angle 3x minus 130 plus the angle of 90 plus the angle of 90 minus x must be 180. So that's this angle plus this angle plus this angle. Add up to 180. This is an equation that we can solve. If you didn't get this, maybe you should pause the video right now and try and solve this equation. Some of you who did solve this equation got it wrong. When solving this equation, you would combine like terms. So we have 3x minus x is 2x. A handful of people wrote 4x instead of 2x here. And then we have minus 130 plus 90 gives you plus 50. So 2x plus 50 is 180. Subtract 50 from both sides gives you 2x is equal to 130. Divide through by 2 and you get x is equal to 65. So the answer is 65 degrees.